There's this platform that is raining millions presently, and that's the platform we want to talk about today. It can rain millions into your account. At the same time, it can drain all the millions from your account. So it's your choice to make. Do well to watch this video to the end so you can understand what I mean by either raining millions into your account or draining the millions right there. Do well to watch the end because I'm going to put you through everything you need to know, how to go about it, so you can make a choice whether to increase your account balance or to drain it out. Welcome to my channel. This is the Smart Money Printers channel. On this channel, I bring to you different ways of making money online. I bring to you what I've tested that works and what my friends test that works as well. So it's your decision to make whether to try them out or not. Sometimes I bring proof of payment. Sometimes I bring you proof of how much I've been paid. So you can make your choice whether it's worth your time or not. Do well to subscribe to this channel if such videos entice you. So the name of the platform we're exploring today is coinplutus. coinplutus is a platform where cryptocurrencies are traded. So right now I'm going to take you to the platform, which is coinplutus.com, while we explore it together. So I already have an account that is already signed up, but I'm going to use a different email address right now to sign up so you can understand how to sign up on this platform. So I'm going to use a different email address. I've killed that in. The next thing is your phone number. You can see it has I think this is Uganda. So you're just going to simply click, and then when you click OK, I'm from Nigeria. I don't know whatever country you're watching this from. You can see the different country code here because you need to enter the code before. So I'm just going to scroll down and pick my country, Nigeria. You can see Nigeria. You see the code is there. So the next thing you have to do is key in your phone number. So I'm trying to key in my phone number right now. Yeah, then from there you choose a password. Make sure to always choose a password you would always remember so you won't have any issues coming back to log in. So you're supposed to select a security pin. This security pin is very important, and it must be a code you would remember. The reason is, at the point of withdrawal, that is the code you always have to key in, because I'm not going to demonstrate how to withdraw, so I'm just telling you so you can understand. Don't just put in any pin you feel you can just lay your hands on at the time of registration. Make sure you key in a pin you would always remember. So invitation code, I didn't click any link to get here, so I don't know how they generated an invitation code for me. Of course, I just typed the name on Google and it brought me to this website. So we're going to sign up now. It's loading. It said registration success. So now this is the platform. You can see basically what they do on the platform is congrats deposit. Okay, people are making deposits and it's scrolling. It's showing me the details of their deposits right now. People are depositing $20, 35, 11 USDT, 9 USDT. Basically, what this platform is about is basically all about trading cryptocurrencies. What does it mean when I say trading cryptocurrencies? What they do is they guess, for example, if this minute crypto, this is an example, of course this is not the price of Bitcoin, so disregard whatever figure I give. This is not to say what it's that's the rate at the moment. I'm just simply citing an example, what a child would understand. That's what I'm about doing. So let's say Bitcoin, let's say time is on my time is 1:30 p.m. at the moment. So let's say at this time presently Bitcoin is at 50,000 USD. So what they do is you're simply going to guess what Bitcoin will be in the next 1 minute. Is it going to rise or fall? Is it going to move up to 50,000 USD, or is it going to fall down to 49,000 USD? So basically, if you're guessing it's going to go up, what you have to do is you will buy. If you're guessing it's going to come down, what you have to do is to sell. So when you sell and it truly comes down, you make profits. But when you sell, if you choose to sell and it goes up, you will lose. This is all about, in fact, if you don't have any idea about trading cryptocurrencies or even forex, what I just told you now is just basically what it is. In terms of in forex, aspect of forex is about trading currency pairs, but cryptocurrency is about trading cryptocurrencies, guessing what the predicting what the next price would be. I don't want to use the word guess, because there are people who don't guess. They are professional in this, so they simply know what's going to happen by judging through certain parameters, technical, doing their technical analysis. Of course, it's their job. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. My channel is basically all about trying out new things, trying out what people say is paying at the moment, how to make money online. When I see videos, I see blogs, I see even the ones my friends tell me offline, I try them out and I bring them to you. I show you my results. If it's worth doing for you, the decision is yours. This is not me saying do it or don't do it at all. I'm not saying you should do it or not do it. It's not a financial advice at all. So whatever I say, you can choose to regard or disregard. You may want to subscribe to this channel if you would like videos like that, because I'll be bringing a lot of that to you. So let's continue now. Like I was saying, this is basically about you guessing. But the good thing about Coin Plutus is that I can say is they don't leave you to guess. They don't leave you to do your analysis. They have a Telegram channel where they drop signals. So even if you're a novice in cryptocurrency trading, you can trade this. You can invest here. You can just make deposits. All you have to do is, after making deposits, I think they even give 10% bonus on every deposit you make. So when you're done making the deposit, you go to the channel and tell them, give them the request for your, I think, ID or something. Then they credit you your 10% bonus immediately. Then you start trading. These coin plutos have uh, a Telegram channel where they drop signals every day. Of course, not all the signals work. It's not magic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So the main aim of this video is to show you what, because I notice a lot of people are making videos on this and telling you you can start with as low as $10. I'm even seeing people making deposits, scrolling here, and I'm seeing people making deposits. You can see this place. I'm seeing people making deposits as low as $3.5. How could you? This thing is because sometimes we just watch videos, they'll tell you this pays, that pays, then we'll go ahead, come here, you sign up, and then you want to start trading, you make deposits. I watched a video, in short, I've seen more than two YouTube videos where the YouTubers actually said it's paying them. Yes, it's paying. In fact, I think if you really give your time to this and you really have the mind, you can make a whole lot of money here. Someone just make deposit of $3, whatever cents, The YouTubers actually stated that you can deposit as low as $10. No, I think that is pretty much risky, except you are a gambler and you are in this, you want to join this platform to gamble. But if you really, really want to invest, if all you're about is investing and making profit, not gambling, this is not advisable. When I'm done talking here, I'm going to show you the instructions in the group and what they advise you to do. So like I said, except you're a gambler, you want to just gamble. Because the truth is, sometimes they'll tell you, oh, don't start with this. It doesn't work. You might lose your money. While at the same time, you might just be lucky on that day. But funny enough, your luck might shine the first day. You might even still get lucky for the first 1 week. But after 1 week, luck might run out of you. You run out of luck and you lose your money, you lose everything you've made, you lose everything you've ever invested. So we need to be very careful. That's the purpose of making this video. But on my own personal path, I've seen people earn from this platform. In fact, I've seen people make money from this platform. You can truly earn from this platform. This is not me saying you can't earn, but please just take caution. Take caution. So let's go back to what the platform is all about. Like I told you, you trade cryptocurrencies, you predict if the next 1 minute is going to go up, is going to come down. whatever. Then, like I said, you don't even need the experience because they are going to be dropping signals on the group to tell you what to do. You can see the different cryptos traded here. You see the different cryptos. Then these are the partners. They have partners. They partner with Binance, BitGet, KuCoin, Coinbase, a lot of partners. So of course, for now, this is a legit platform. Like I said, it's not a financial advice. Don't take my words for it. This is what I feel. I'm not saying it's good enough. I'm not saying it's bad, but this is my personal opinion at the moment. So it's cool. So when you join, you don't need a crypto trading experience. When you join the platform, all they do is they drop signals for you. When they drop the signals for you, they tell you whether to buy or to sell. Like I said earlier, you know when to sell, you know when to buy. So you don't even need to be the one predicting if Bitcoin is going to go higher after 1 minute, or is going to go backward after 1 minute. No, you don't even have to stress yourself over this. They do the job for you. They do all the technical analysis for you, and they drop the signals. Like I said, 100%, not 100%. Sometimes the first one might fail, the second just on and on like that, just like every other signal does. So I'm going to take you to their how you make money, how the things they advise you to do in order for you to make money and not lose your money on this platform. The main reason I said making deposits and starting up with $10 is very, very risky. So that's it. So let's explore so you can understand in case you choose to join. Down here you see trade, we see home, we're on the home page, then you see trade. So it has loaded. This is what the trading platform looks like. I know a lot of you, when you see all these candles, red, black, yellow, red, whatever, it scares you. That is the good thing about this platform. It doesn't need to scare you because you have nothing to do here. There's nothing to do. All you have to do is make sure it's your platform is on 60 seconds. That's what they do on the platform. In case you choose to join and you can't find anyone to exactly tell you what to do, you can see the candle is moving. See, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it comes down. That's what trading is all about. You are predicting if it's going to go up in the next 60 seconds or it's coming down the next 60 seconds. You can see it's been coming down. That's the red. This is not a crypto trading lecture, so I won't go into detail of all this. So when you want to trade on this platform, make sure your platform is on 60 seconds. You can see we can switch to 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You see, this is 5 minutes. What happens in 5 minutes is different from what's happening in 3 minutes. So they advise you to make sure your platform is on 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. So we are going to go to 60 seconds. So what you do is you go to the group, you wait for the signal. When they drop a signal, they are going to tell you if to buy, whether to buy or to sell. They will tell you whether to buy or to sell. Let's say right now, if you can see very well, on the platform, on the trade, we have 102.150. That's what it is presently. So let's say, for instance, on the group, they drop a signal saying you should buy when it gets to 102.152. Then you come here. When you get here, right now is at 102.150. You're not going to go ahead to buy. You wait for it to get to that place they asked you to buy. They said you are going to wait and watch it get to the 102.150 before you buy, or 0.152, if that is the instruction. And the things you basically take note of on the platform is those last 3 digits after the decimal point. You can see now it's actually jumped up to 102.179. You're still going to wait. You won't still place any trade here. Then you don't have any business with the 102. What you have business is the last 3 digits after the decimal points. You can see the 179 points, whatever. That's what you have to check. So when, let's say, for instance, on the group, they dropped right now that you should sell when it gets to 102.179. All you have to do, because it's there right now, all you have to do is come to this platform. You remember how we got here, we clicked on trade. It's going to display this screen. It's going to show you this screen. So I actually went back, then I logged in. You can see it's showing my email up here. Then it says top up now and enjoy the top up discount for the first top up of $10 or more. That if you're going to make deposits of $10 and above, you contact customer care service to activate the 10% bonus on the top up amount. For example, if you make deposit of $100, they are going to give you a bonus of 10% of $100, which is $10. If you make deposit of $10, they will give you $1, which is the 10% of $10. The bonus amount will be directly credited to your account, helping you to easily enjoy more exciting content. Hurry up and add more. So that's it. So we're going to click on OK. We've heard this information. So you can see my available balance, because I just signed up, is 0.000 USDT. That is because I haven't made any deposits. You can see that. See, you can explore this, change login password, set withdraw password, financial records, and everything. If you want to log out, you can see it there. You can withdraw from here. See withdraw. You can withdraw. You put in what the amount you want to withdraw. That's, you set it up, you put in your address. To make deposit, you are simply going to transfer the USDT from whatever wallet you use. That's the wallet where you keep your USDT. You're going to transfer the USDT here to make the deposit. If you want to make a withdrawal, you would you will come here, you put in your withdrawal address, then you set the amount. I don't have anything, so you can see if you want to make deposit, you click on recharge. You can see recharge. Can you see? So this is the link, this is the address you're going to pay to. All you need to do is, the address is already there. You can see it in this yellow place writing, it writes copy. So you copy this address, copy successfully. Please do not recharge other than non-USDT assets. The deposit will arrive in your account in about 3 to 15 minutes. I've seen people make deposits and I think it's almost instant. If there's a delay, then it has to be a network issue or something. I think it's really instant. Even the withdrawal that I've seen is instant as well, because I made these findings before shooting this video, before bringing it to you. So you are simply going to click on copy. Then when you copy, you go to whatever wallet you have your USDT in. If you are going to buy from someone, let's say you don't have a wallet, you want to buy from someone, and you ask the person, oh, I need USDT. Maybe you go to those platforms where they sell USDT and cryptos. I need USDT. The person is simply going to ask for the address you want it deposited to. So this is the address. The address you just copied is what you are going to send to the person. Then the person is going to credit it. So later you come, and of course they said 3 to 15 minutes, which is usually almost instant. When you come here, you see your money. Then when you've made the deposit, let's go back to trade. You can see the trade. Okay, now because we logged in afresh, this buy and sell icons were not there initially, because we're just exploring from without logging in. So now that we are logged in after signing up, you can see buy and sell is showing. So like I was explaining the first time, on the group, they will drop a signal. You can see this trading stuff is all about cryptos going up and down, up and down. When they tell you Bitcoin is $150,000 today, it doesn't mean all through today it was just sitting at $150,000. No, it goes up and down, up and down. There's a particular amount it will close with for the day. So that is where people make money. They do the analysis to know how much will it be this second, because it keeps going up and down. If you look at this platform, just see, look at it. Are you seeing the way it's going? Are you seeing from the time we signed up to now? The time we signed up, it was at 102 points, I think 150 or thereabouts. Right now, it has jumped down to, even while we're still on the screen, it even went as high as 102.7 something or thereabouts, or 17 something. So right now, it has come down again to 102.121. This thing keeps going up and down if you understand crypto trading very well. That's how it does. So that's where people make money from. So you are not going to do the analysis yourself. You're serious, basically going to join the group. When they say buy, you just come here, you choose on, you see the buy and sell is active. If they say buy, like I said, wait for these last three digits after the decimal points to be exactly what they dropped on the group. I'll take my I'm going to switch to the group to show you what the signals look like on the group. Then when you come back here, you check. If they say buy, I'm going to click on buy when is actually where it is. Then this amount, let's say for instance you have $10 in your account. Of course you cannot use everything you have now. What if you lose it? Except you are like an addicted gambler. You can't even try that. Even for gamblers, that is highly risky. From your $10, you can choose to use $1 to trade at a time, so that in case you lose it, you still have $9 to fall back to for another trial. So it's not advisable you use everything in your account. That's not a sensible a good sense of gambling. If you ask me, it's not. So let's say you can see they said minimum is 1 USDT. Look at it here. Minimum is 1 USDT. That you cannot go below 1 USDT. Let's say my balance is $10. I made a deposit of $10. Of course, it must have given me $1, and I'm going to have $11. So you can see they are showing available balance 0.00, meaning I don't have anything here. This is just for this video explanation purposes. I didn't make any deposits. So out of my $11, let's say I choose to use $1 to trade. I'm going to type in 1. Can you see? I'm going to type in $1. I want to use one. I want to trade it with $1. No, 1. That's 1.00. I'm trading with $1. So you can see when you choose the amount you're trading with, you see submit here. You see submit. You click on submit. See, it says insufficient balance. Assuming I had money in the account, the submit will just pick it. It will pick it. That is, I've instructed it now to take $1 out of my money to place this trade. If they said sell, you click on sell. It takes you to that same page where you choose the amount you want to trade with. So that's basically it for coinplutus and that all. So you see here team. I think this is where you can see copy referral link. Okay, if you want to share your referral link with people, commission ratio, I think they pay. If you can explore the payment here. They said invite one friend to recharge 10 USDT and the transaction volume reaches 10 USDT. Take reward of 2 USDT. You can see they pay if you refer. Invite 5 friends to recharge 10 USDT. That's if you invite 5 friends. Let's explore this first one. If you invite one person and the one person make deposit of 10 USDT, then they are going to give you, and the transaction volume reaches 10 USDT, you are going to take a reward of $2, 2 USDT. If you invite 5 friends and each of them recharge 10 USDTs and the transaction volume reaches 10 USDT, you'll be paid 12 USDT. You can see on and on and on. There's actually the amount you can you can make as much as 300 USDT just referring people. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is you came here. You remember we got here. You click on team. It brought us here. Then you see your link. This is your link right here. So you click on copy referral link. So after copying the link, all you have to do is keep sharing it wherever you want to share it. If you're a YouTuber, you want to make a video on this, you want to post it in your link, whatever. Anyhow, you can share your WhatsApp, social media platform, Instagram page, Facebook, wherever you want to share, wherever your audience are and you want to share. So that's basically it with coinplutus. That's it with coinplutus, and you see you can just come and explore it yourself. So right now I want to take you to the Telegram group. Let's explore the Telegram group together. I will not close this page so that I can come here and reaffirm everything I've said, so I can see explain better to you. So let's go to the Telegram page. So this is the Telegram page. And right now, I want to show you what the signal looks like. First, they said, please keep enough balance and invest using the 3 times trading strategy. Investing using the 3 times trading strategy can reduce investment risks and obtain stable returns. I'm going to explain what that means to you in a moment. I just want to show you what the signals look like. Okay, I think they're about dropping signal. They'll tell you, are you ready? You can see that. Then from there, session starts. So this is a signal. This is what the signal looks like. They said type BTC USDT. That is the current, that is the crypto pair they want to trade. Time 60 seconds. Remember I told you, I'm going to take you back to that place. Remember I told you up here must be set to 60 seconds. You can see it here. Make sure you set it to 60 seconds. Now let's go back. Then they say period B, so 20241217. Like I said, you have to take note of these last digits. That's what you take note of. Then you come back. Okay, make sure you're on the BTC USDT. You can see it up here. We actually, this is the chart for the BTC USDT. So that's basically we're on it. So they have other pairs they trade. So make sure you're on this signal is for BTC USDT. So make sure that is it. So they said buy multiplier $1, meaning you're going to use $1 at the you're not going to multiply it. This is the first signal for the day, so there's nothing to multiply. You multiply by 3 if you lose this. I'm going to come to that. So they advise you use recommended amount 10 USD. 10 USD, you cannot make deposit of 10 USD and use 10 USD. Please, you are not a senseless gambler. Don't be that person. Even if you want to gamble and you make deposits of as low as $10, you cannot use it at once. How can you? You can't, please. So for me, they recommended $10. For me, if you have $10 in your account, all you need to do is use $1. What if you lose it? Because they do multiplier. They multiply by 3 the next time. If you lose again, you multiply by another 3. You run out of deposits, and you see yourself, you keep, and these kind of things, they are very addictive. Once you start it, you cannot stop it easily. If you lose this whole $10 in 5 minutes, something will be prompting you, make another deposit, make another deposit. You won't be able to resist that urge to make another deposit. And if you keep making fresh deposits without applying this sense and method and discipline, let me use that word. If you are not disciplined, you keep losing it, you keep making deposits till you run out of cash in your life. This is not advisable, please. So they say buy. Like I said, when you've checked, you go, then you click on buy, you choose the amount, you click submit. I can't submit right now because it says below minimum bet amount, so I insufficient balance. I don't have balance because I didn't do anything. So later you're going to wait and see if it's a win. They are going to tell you it's a win. This is a win now. They won this trade. So you're going to see your profit. Your profit will be added to you. So this is another signal they drop. They say buy. This buy, they lost it. You can see the next trade. The next trade, they are saying use 3 times investment. You can see these other ones they dropped. They said multiplier. I don't know. There's no way I can make this thing bold. I hope you are seeing it. Here, the first trade they dropped, they said multiplier 1 times, meaning just $1 if you're using $1, $10 if you're using $10. And then, even the second trade, they still said use multiplier $1 1 times, meaning you're not multiplying by 3. But the first one they won, the second one multiplier 1 times. They didn't say if they lost or they won, meaning automatically, since the next signal says use 3 times investment, it means they lost this. So imagine you had used the entire $10 now. This is your starting trade. You use your $10. Who will you trade with? So like I said, it's not advisable. Be wise and be disciplined. If you are not disciplined, you cannot trade and make money on this kind of platform. You just keep losing money. You'll be bound to it, and you keep making deposits and making no profit. So right now, this is obvious they lost it. because from their rules, when you lose the first trade, the following trade you multiply by 3. So they say use 3 times. This time now, they are buying again. You can see multiplier 3 times. Recommended amount 30 USD as against the 10 they advised initially because they lost the first one. You can see. Now I'm going to come to a place where I'm going to read the recommendation, the group recommendation, so you understand if this is what your time, if this is what you want to do or not. Like I said, if you are disciplined, if you have the money, if you are focused, you can make a lot of money on this platform. But just stay tuned and keep watching, and let's read the group rules together. The no, not exactly rules, but the things they advise their traders to do, you know. So they said buy. Okay, you can see they say buy. Then the next trade they are saying use 9 times. What does that mean? It means they also lost this second trade. Meaning, if you had $40 in your account, let me not even go as far as $40. Let's say you made the deposit of $10. Then the first trade, you were disciplined. You started with $1. You lost it. Then they ask you to use multiplier of times 3, meaning you should multiply the next trade by 3 so that you can recover your first loss, recover this investment, and then make profit. You now multiply by 3. You now use $3 for the second trade. You already lost 1 out of 10. When you take out $1 from $10, that means you are going to have $9 left, right? Then from the $9 now, they ask you to multiply by 3. You use $3. You take out the $3. Add the $3 to the first $1. That's $4, right? That means you have $6 left. Then you lost that $3. You have $6 left. Then this next trade now, because they lost the first 2 trades, they're advising you now to multiply by 9. So now you have $6 left. Now they say multiply by 9. Where will you see this 9 to multiply? That is if you make deposit of $10. Let's use $100 for example. You made deposit of $100. You started trading with $10. You lost it. You have 90 left. You now multiply 10 by 3 because you have to multiply by 3. If you don't multiply by 3, you'll find yourself trading. People will be making money. You won't be making money because if you use 10 again, even if you make profit, you're simply going to make profit on that particular trade for that second 10. That first 10 you've lost is gone. So I understand the reason they advise people to use these times and 3 times multiplier so that you can recover all your losses and still recover the money you invested in your present investment and still make profit. So that is it. So if you are saying, oh, I don't have enough, I cannot multiply by 9, that means the first $1 you lost is gone, the other $3 is gone. So right now you have just $60. Let's say you made deposit of 100, you've taken out 10, you took out under 30, you have 60 left. Now they say multiply by 9. That means you need 90 to recover all your losses. Where will you get the 90? So you see why you need to be disciplined. 1, 2, you see why you need to think first, think very well before you join this kind of platform. Know your worth, know your pocket, know how much you can invest. Not that you just say, oh, they said we can invest $10. That $10 is not advisable. You can see it right here that is not advisable. So now they are multiplying by 9. Use 9 times investment. Look at it here. Buy again, multiply at 9 times. USD $90. That's what is recommended for you to be able to recover. They said buy. So they are going to buy. I don't know. They lost this again, people. Now they are saying use times 27. Imagine this is your first time on this platform. You are going to cry fire. You will cry pepper on this day. A lot of people joined with their $10, and that day was a sweet day for them. Oh, I'm not saying. In fact, I have people that they joined, and on that day, all the signals actually came true. But obviously, this particular day we are exploring is a bad day. It must have been a very bad day. Imagine you being a first time investment on this kind of platform, and you came in with your $100. That's, you are even careful enough. Oh, imagine you now came in with $10. Okay. So they say use 27 times multiplier, meaning you are advised to use 270 USD. Buy. I hope this is a win for them. Then finally they win. My brothers and sisters, they've won. Oh. And this win, mind you, is for people who had enough money in their accounts. If you didn't have enough money, if you had made deposit of $10, by now you're finished. You've run out of money since you would have been running up and down looking for how to make deposit again, because you want to, this kind of things, it draws you in, it sucks you in. You are desperate to recover that first $10 you've lost, so you want to just make deposit again. So even if you don't make any profit, you just want to make that $10 back. Then you put out that $10. They now say times 27 multiplier. Where will you see it? You can't trade, so that money is gone. So from everything I just showed you, you can see that that final win they had was actually basically for people who had enough money in the account. So if anyone tells you you can even start as little as 10 with as little as $10, tell them the smart money printer says it is not advisable except you want to gamble. Your first time might be a good day for you. It's fine. Well, then what if it's a bad day? But once again, there's a lot of money to be made on this platform, a lot of it. With discipline and focus, with obedience. Don't go and trade on your own. Make sure you wait for the signal. You'll make a lot of money from this platform. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video so far, I'll be bringing a lot more interesting videos, way of making money, the easy ones, the pretty much difficult ones, the ones that are just mild. I'll be bringing all of them. We'll be exploring them together so that we can make this money together. There's no need to hide updates. So if you like videos like this, do wait to subscribe to this channel, the Smart Money Printers channel. And please, your likes, your comments, your shares will do a lot to help me grow this channel and encourage me to do more.